What I have been showing so far is actually how to do the door for this for the netting of this earthen pond. As you can see in the video I'm showing you, we used galvanized iron as the pole. We could have used wood like some people usually use for their own farm, but we chose to use the galvanized iron because the galvanized iron lasts longer. It lasts longer. In short, it doesn't get spoiled. So as you can see, the door has a bolt, the place that we can use padlock to lock it. Yeah, that's the inside. It went straight around, and the roof as well is covered to prevent all these birds, all these wild birds from coming in to eat the fishes. That's the essence of covering it with this net. As you can see, it's a galvanized iron and it's very, very strong. The net we used for the top part has a bigger hole than this other green one. This green one you're seeing here is what will prevent sand from flushing back inside, because it has more tiny holes and it will not allow reptiles to penetrate. That same thing they did there is what we are going to be doing to this other pond. This one is just a sample of what we are looking at to do in other ponds. Netting your pond is extremely important. It's as important as your business itself, because it prevents a lot of things. It prevents reptiles from coming in, it prevents birds from coming in, and it even prevents people from accessing your farm anytime they feel like. Now we are done with the pond in full. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that whenever we post more videos like this, you will be the first to see it. Thank you. Till we see again.